beauties, it's your girl Sonus Love and I am back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the process of me achieving my beautiful beach waves. Today's wig is provided by Tinashe Hair. This is their 26-inch Brazilian body wave and I got this in a 6x6 closure wig. This wig is in fact 180% density, so it's extremely thick and long as you guys can see, and it's nice and thick all the way through. This wig is looking amazing. I mean, just look how blended it looks right now. I think I did a great job on this closure. I absolutely love the quality of this hair and I'm super impressed by it. This wig in particular does come pre-plucked. For my personal preference, I did do a little bit more plucking as you guys can see. This is honestly how it looks. It looks amazing. The blendability of this wig is absolutely stunning, you guys. I mean, just look at it. It literally blends in so well and it literally just melts to my skin. This honestly looks like it would be a scalp, literally. I love how flowy it is and just how it bounces. And as you guys know, I really love long hair, so this was definitely a plus. I just love how thick it is all the way through, and it just looks absolutely amazing. I'm highly impressed with the quality of this wig. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these beautiful beach waves on this hair, then please keep watching. This is what the hair looks like right after I brushed it out. I'm gonna be using this waver from Bedhead. As well as this Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I'm gonna be going section by section. I'm gonna apply hairspray to each section so the hair can stay in place all day. And now I'm gonna begin waving my hair. So this is how it looks once most of it is finished. So now I'm going to be doing the top. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. As you guys can see, I have my beautiful waves now. Let me give you guys a twirl really quick. It looks so beautiful. I mean, really, like, this is so beautiful, you guys. I love how it came out. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Okay, my lovelies, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time that I post. Bye, lovelies.